Hi, my name is Reese, a designer with The Quilted Cow. Today I'm going to show you how to sew together this beautiful Adeline pillow kit. It's super easy to do and you're going to love it. But first, I'm going to thank our sponsors. The Husqvarna Viking sewing machine is what I will be using today. Also Creative Grids and Wilmington Fabrics. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're going to do the Adeline pillow kits. You can get these kits at thequiltedcow.com. And the reason you want to get a kit is because it comes with all the fabric and the pattern. So everything is in the kit and it's super easy and it's already together. All right, so we're going to get started, and you need to cut your main piece of fabric for your center on your pillow and then your accent strips for the top and bottom. And then we're going to take the accent border and we are going to put it right sides together, and we will sew a 1/4 of an inch seam there, and also at the top we will do the same thing. We will sew a 1/4 of an inch seam. Okay, I'm going to go sew this and I will be right back. This is how I quilted it on my long arm machine, but you can quilt it on your domestic machine however you would like. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the pillow backing on your Adeline pillow. I have cut 2 pieces from your pattern to size, and what you're going to do first is fold it in half, and I like to get a nice crisp seam. So I like to press it and then press your second one. And then on your backing piece, you're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch away from your folded piece. I'm going to do that real quick and I will be right back. Okay, I have sewn both pieces at a 1/4 of an inch away from the fold. And now we are going to show you, I'm going to show you how to attach it. So you're going to want to lay your folded piece toward the center, your raw edges there. Now your backing is going to overlap to get that pillowcase look. All right, you're going to want to sew a 1/4 of an inch around all sides of your pillow. And this will leave an opening to turn your pillow inside out once we're done finished. Okay, I'm going to sew this real quick and I will be right back. I have sewn a 1/4 of an inch around all of the edges, so you still have that envelope backing, but now we're going to turn it right side out so you get that pretty print on the outside of your pillow. And when you're doing it inside out, make sure you press your corners out so you get that nice, good corner. And that's it. Here is your Adeline pillow. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out the website for the kit at thequiltedcow.com. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.